How to grow petunias indoors. Petunias are a popular choice of flowering annuals because they are easy to grow and bloom from spring until frost. Petunias require full sun, warm temperatures and rich soil that drains well. While petunias are typically grown outdoors in a flower bed or container, they can thrive inside by a sunny window. Things you will need: container, petunias, potting soil, compost, 888 or 10-10-10 liquid fertilizer, water. How to grow petunias indoors. Select a container that has sufficient holes for draining. Choose grandiflora, multiflora or milliflora petunia varieties over ground-covered brands. Fill container 2/3 full with a 50-50 mix of potting soil and compost. Place petunia plants in the container on the soil and water lightly prior to filling container with soil. Cover the base of the petunia plants with remaining soil, slightly packing to ensure the root system is not exposed to air. Place in a spot where the petunias can receive at least 5 hours of sunlight a day. Direct, full sun is best. Water as necessary. Petunias like soil that is moist to slightly dry. Deadhead by removing spent blooms as necessary to promote new buds and encourage continuous blooming. Feed once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer 888 or 10-10-10. Tips warnings. Occasionally rotate the position of the container so the petunias do not grow in a lopsided fashion toward the sun.